What got me interested in this industry was my family. My father restored cars growing up, and my older brother went through Universal Technical Institute, so I seen him and how successful he was. So I decided to take the same route that he took. My experience at UTI was great. From start to finish, the instructors were great. I learned a lot and found basically that the right ways to fix the vehicle. Some advice that I would give to somebody would be to definitely go through UTI. It's a great program to go through. From start to finish, they help you find a job after you graduate, and just to stay focused while you're at UTI, because if you're focused, that'll get you a lot farther. My 5-year goal would probably be to just continue on the path that I'm going and eventually work my way into office management, but my 5-year goal is definitely to keep doing what I'm doing right now.